So now let us start. Strain energy method. Strain energy method for analysis of indeterminate structures, statically indeterminate structures. Okay. Suppose if you take any structure like this, some structure with some external loads, suppose it is indeterminate because you can expect something vertical reaction V, horizontal reaction H, here V1, here V2, and movement here M, something like this. Okay, so total reactions are total reactions 4. Equilibrium conditions, so degree of static indeterminacy equal to 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, so to analyze this kind of structures, we can go for this strain energy method. So what is strain energy method? We will see. Suppose here in this structure, let us assume this extra reaction, extra reaction whatever is there here, let us assume this is R, extra reaction R. So in terms of R, you can find strain energy. Strain energy is a function of R. Yes.
వాయిస్ లో వస్తుంది సార్.
వాయిస్ లో వస్తుందా?
వినిపిస్తలేదు సార్ అసలు.
ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా?
లేదు సార్.
మిగతా వాళ్ళకి కూడా అంతే వస్తుందా?
నాకు బానే ఉంది సార్.
ఎవరెవరికి ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది వాయిస్?
ఫోన్ ఇయర్ దగ్గర పెడితే వినిపిస్తుంది సార్, అంత లో వస్తుంది.
నీ ఫోన్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నట్టుంది గిరి. Okay, U is a function of R. So that means strain energy you can express in terms of R. That means suppose if you differentiate this strain energy with respect to R, that will give actually delta at R. Suppose assume the structure may deform like this. In spite of the support, suppose the structure something like this, that means here some delta, suppose deflection is there. See, this is the reaction R, the structure is deflecting in opposite direction. Okay, I mean opposite direction of the R. Then we can define one thing, potential energy. Potential energy pi. Okay, potential energy pi can be defined as strain energy plus work done. Strain energy plus work done due to that extra reaction. So that is R into deformation is minus delta. Why minus delta? Means delta is opposite direction of the reaction R. That's why. So this potential energy will be strain energy plus R into minus delta. So always the structure in the the structure in the inverse, okay, or anything in the inverse, try to occupy minimum energy. That means if you draw a graph like this, the potential energy versus the reaction R, for so many, I mean, because this U also function of R, this U also function of R, and minus R delta, okay, R into delta. So the potential energy will be depending on R value. As you change the R value, potential energy changes. So if you draw this graph for this Y versus R, then the graph will be like this. That means the correct reaction is the structure where it occupies minimum potential energy. So for what value of R the structure is occupying minimum potential energy, that is the correct R actually. Okay, that is the correct R value. Okay, so how to get this correct R value means the tangent for this potential energy function, for this, if you draw a tangent here like this, that will be horizontal. That means for correct one, dou pi by dou R or d pi by dr, it will be 0. That is nothing but dou f of R by dou R minus delta. With respect to R, we are differentiating, right? Equal to 0. Or otherwise, see, f of R is nothing but U, strain energy. Dou U by dou R minus delta equal to 0. Or otherwise, dou U by dou R equal to delta. If you don't have any deflection here, then dou U by dou R will be 0. If delta equal to 0, that means dou U by dou R will be 0. So this is the fourth condition, fourth equation, okay? Fourth equation to get the fourth reaction, okay? Because totally 4 reactions are there. Apart from these 3 equilibrium conditions, one more equation we need, that is this fourth equation, dou U by dou R equal to 0. If there is no settlement at support, then dou U by dou R equal to 0. If we have any settlement, then dou U by dou R equal to that settlement itself, delta. Okay, that is the logic here in this strain energy method. Suppose take a proper cantilever. Take a proper cantilever like this. Suppose central point load L by 2, L by 2. We don't know this reaction R. We need to find this reaction R. So for this, in terms of R, you can find deflection. Sorry, strain energy. So strain energy U equal to now, U equal to, see, if you take a x distance from here, so Rx is the bending moment. Rx is the bending moment, whole square by 2ei dx, integral 0 to L by 2, okay, plus this integral L by 2 to L, bending moment is R into x minus P into x minus L by 2. This is M, whole square by 2ei dx. So this is the strain energy in terms of R, in terms of R extra reaction, okay, proper reaction, in terms of that, because it is a statically indeterminate, so that indeterminate reaction we are assuming as a R value. So that R in terms of R we are determining is strain energy. Now condition is, of course you can work out this strain energy if you want. That is, see here, R square is constant by 2ei, x square integration is x cube by 3, 0 to L by 2, plus here, so here integration, we can simplify this one here, integral L by 2 to L, Rx, R square x square, plus P square into x minus L by 2 square minus 2rx into p into x minus L by 2, okay, divided by 2ei dx. So this is the expression. Still we can simplify this. R square by 2ei into 1 by 3 into L cube by 8 plus 1 by 2ei, I will keep it aside. 1 by 2ei r square into x square integration x cube by 3 L by 2 to L plus p square into x minus L by 2 whole square integration x minus L by 2 whole cube by 3 minus 2rp into x square integration is x cube by 3 minus x into L by 2 L by 2 x square by 2. Okay, limits L by 2 to L. So we can simplify this. R square L cube by 48ei plus 1 by 2ei into, see here, r square by 3 x cube means L cube minus L by 2 whole cube. That means L cube minus L cube by 8. That is 7 by 7/8 of L cube plus here limits L by 2. If you apply L limit L minus L by 2, that is p square in by 3 into L minus L by 2 is L by 2. L by 2 whole cube is L cube by 8. If you substitute L by 2, that will be 0 minus. Okay, of course, EI is there outside. Okay, 2rp into 1 by 3 into x cube means L cube minus L by 2 whole cube. That is 7L cube by 8 minus L square L by 4 into L by 4 into x square means L square minus L square by 4. That is 3/4 of L square. Okay, now we will simplify this. See everywhere, okay, r square a everywhere it is there. That ei you will take it out, and I think L cube also everywhere it is there. L cube by a taking out r square by 48 plus here 7 by 48 ei into r square plus p square by 48 ei minus 7 by 12, right? 7 by 12 rp plus how much? 8, 1 by 8. Okay, rp by 8, 3/8. Okay, 3 by 8. Okay, this is u. So we know fourth condition is actually dou u by dou r equal to 0, because there is no displacement at prop reaction. Prop, okay, at prop no displacement. That's why it is 0. Dou u by dou r equal to 0. So that is L cube by ei 2r by 48 plus, so here ei not required here, 48. Okay, 7 by 48 into 2r minus 7p by 12 plus 3p by 8 equal to 0. That means r into 1 by 24.
Last number 7 by 24.
Last number?
In the ULO 7 by 12 kada 7 by 24 kada.
2rp kada adi?
ఇక్కడ 1 by 2 ఉంది కదా సార్ స్టార్టింగ్ లో.
1 by 2 ఉందా? Okay, okay. So this is 24. Okay. Then this also 16, right? This also will be 16 then. Then here also 24 and 16. 7p by 24 and here 16. So equal to p into 7 by 24 minus 3 by 16. So that is r into 8 by 24 means 1 by 3 equal to 48 is LCM. 14 minus 6, 8 by 48. 7 into 2, 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9, 5 by 48p. So R equal to 5/16 of p. This is the prop reaction, right? Okay, now we will see one more problem. So same proper cantilever with UDL. W kilonewton per meter, this prop. Okay, L, A. So find prop reaction. Okay, so let us assume this is the prop reaction R. Then obviously bending moment expression you can write then at x distance m equal to r into x minus wx square by 2, that is m. Then strain energy integral 0 to L m square, that is rx minus wx square by 2 whole square by 2a dx. This is u. Then our reaction R equal to, sorry, condition, prop reaction equal to what? How to get that prop reaction? Condition is dou u by dou r equal to 0. That means integral 0 to L 2 times of rx minus wx square by 2 into x, right, with respect to r differentiation. So divided by 2ei dx equal to 0. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Okay. Now ei also goes to that side and it becomes 0. 0 to L rx square minus w x cube by 2 dx equal to 0. That means r into x cube by 3 minus w by 2 into x power 4 by 4 0 to L equal to 0. So RL cube by 3 minus W L power 4 by 8 equal to 0. So R equal to 3/8 of W L. So this is the prop reaction. Okay, next. Suppose if you take a structure like this. W kilonewton per meter, L, a spring is there here. Spring stiffness 4 EA by L cube. Spring stiffness, okay. This is spring stiffness. Let us assume reaction R. Okay. How to find R we will see. Now, because of this reaction, what is the M value? M equal to R into X minus Wx square by 2. So what is strain energy? Integral 0 to L by 2 Rx minus Wx square by 2 whole square by 2ei dx. This is the u. Okay. So what is delta here? Delta equal to
0 to L, sir.
0 to L.
0 to
0 to L. Okay, delta equal to here. Delta equal to, see, delta displacement of the structure will be opposite to the direction of r. That's why minus. Delta is minus. Here, you know, spring stiffness Ks equal to force is r actually in the spring. Force by delta. Okay, so delta s equal to r by ks, that equal to r by ks is 4a by l cube. Okay, that equal to rl cube by 4ea, that is delta s. So delta is here minus rl cube by 4ea. So according to our definition, dou u by dou r must be equal to delta. Dou u by dou r equal to delta. Here not 0 because some displacement is there at the reaction. That's why whatever displacement is there, dou u by dou r must be equal to that displacement delta. So now equating this, dou by dou r of this u is what? 0 to L Rx minus Wx square by 2 whole square by 2ei dx equal to delta, that is minus rl cube by 4a. So that is equal to integral 0 to L 2 times of Rx minus Wx square by 2 into differentiation of Rx with respect to r is x by 2ei dx equal to minus rl cube by 4a. That is 2 to gets cancelled here. R into x square means x cube by 3, that is L cube by 3 ei minus W by 2 ei into exponent x cube. So x power 4 by 4, that means L by 4 by 4 equal to minus RL cube by 4a. So taking R common, L cube by 3ei plus L cube by 4ei equal to WL power 4 by 8ei, or otherwise R into 7 by 12, EAE gets cancelled, R into 7 by 12 equal to WL by 8. From this R equal to, so here 4 2s, 4 3s, okay. So R equal to 3 by 14th, right? 3 by 14th of WL. So like this, for spring case structures also we can analyze very easily by using this strain energy method. Dou E by dou R equal to delta. If there is no spring, some firm support is there, then dou E by dou R equal to 0. If it is not firm support, some sinking is there, then you can go for that whatever value is there. Spring kind of thing is there, spring stiffness, I mean based on spring stiffness, you can find delta of spring by by using this R by Ks. So that is R by stiffness of spring, that is RL cube by 4a is the delta of spring. So delta equal to minus y means the displacement is taking place in the direction opposite to the nature of this R, okay. Let us take one more structure. Suppose structure is like this. Some UDL is there here. W kilonewton per meter. Suppose this reaction is R. Find R, okay. Find prop reaction R. See, it is also total. How many reactions are there? It is a total reaction of 4 and equilibrium conditions of 3. Obviously, statically indeterminate of structure, I mean static indeterminacy is 1. Static indeterminacy how much? 1. static indeterminacy equal to 1 for this, because 3 supports are there, so no horizontal loads. That means 3 reactions we need to find. Finally, out of these 3 reactions, we have only 2 equilibrium conditions: sigma V equal to 0, sigma M equal to 0. So only 2 equilibrium conditions are there, but we have 3 reactions. That's why one equation is in shortage. So obviously, we need to go for strain energy method here. Okay. So how to do that, we'll see. Here, the structure, already we know that central reaction. Okay. Central reaction we know. So obviously, the end reactions would be how much? Total load is how much? W into, suppose this is L span. W into 2L is the total load. So half, I mean, net load is now, I mean, net A reaction and C reaction will be, I mean, RA plus RC must be equal to 2WL minus R. This RA and RC both together. 2WL minus R. So by 2 by 2. Here also 2WL minus R by 2. Because net downward force is W into 2WL. Net upward force is here at B R. So now 2WL minus R is the net upwards of A and C. Because of symmetry, by 2 by 2. That is RA and RC. This is RA, RC. So now all reactions are in terms of R. So strain energy you can work out now. Take a distance of at X distance from this one. The strain energy is equal to 2WL minus R by 2 into X minus WX square by 2. This is the M square by 2EI. Integral 0 to L. So for AB span also same, 2 times. This is the strain energy. So of course this 2 gets cancelled. Okay. So now our condition is dou U by dou R equal to 0. Dou U by dou R equal to 0. That means integral 0 to L 2 times of this 2 gets cancelled. That is WL minus R by 2 into X minus WX square by 2 into differentiation of that expression with respect to R is again, that is minus X by 2 dx whole divided by EI equal to 0. Okay, this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So that means integral 0 to L WL minus R by 2 into X minus WX square by 2 into minus X dx equal to 0. So that means minus WL into X integration is X square by 2 minus plus R by 2 X square integration X cube by 3 minus plus W by 2 X cube integration is X4 4 by 4 0 to L equal to 0. So that is WL cube by 2 minus plus RL cube by 6.
స్టార్టింగ్ లో కూడా ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ వస్తుంది కదా సార్.
స్టార్టింగ్ లో కూడా x cube. Yeah, one more x is there here. WL into x into x. Okay, x cube by 3, correct. ఇక్కడ కూడా WL into x cube by 3 minus plus R by 2 into x square means x cube by 3. This also. This one okay. Now minus W L4 4 by 3 plus RL cube by 6 plus WL4 4 by 8 equal to 0. So RL cube by 6 plus minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 8 are equal to WL4 4 by 3 minus WL4 4 by 8. So
5 by 24.
R equal to, oh, this is okay. R by 6 equal to 5 by 24. 5 by 24 WL, or otherwise R equal to 5 by 4, right? 5 by 4 WL. R equal to 5 by 4 WL, okay? That is the reaction, that central reaction. So like this, any indeterminate structure, I mean, you can solve by using this strain energy method. This is actually Clapeyron's, sorry, not Clapeyron's, Castigliano's theorem 2, okay? So by using Castigliano's theorem 1, you can find deflections of determinate slopes and deflections of determinate structures. By using Castigliano's theorem of 2, you can find unknown reaction of this indeterminate structure. Sometimes you may have two unknowns, I mean two extra reactions like this. Suppose it being like this, okay? This is 3 meters, 4 meters, some UDL. (10 kN per meter). Now you have two unknown reactions here, but because 5, I mean total reactions are 5, equilibrium conditions are 3. So basically, two props are there, R1, R2. Okay. Now, because this one, I mean at B or C, deflections are 0. A, B, C. Okay. So basically, it is like this. Potential energy equal to strain energy minus R1 delta 1 minus R2 delta 2. Okay, this is the potential energy. Work is doing by R1 as well as R2. That's why U minus of both works is potential energy. So actually, dou pi by dou R1 equal to 0 and dou pi by dou R2 equal to 0. These are the two conditions now. See here, out of 5 reactions, 3 equilibrium conditions are there. That means 2 unknown reactions. That means 2 extra conditions we need to solve this. Those 2 extra conditions are dou pi by dou R1 equal to 0, dou pi by dou R2 equal to 0. That means dou pi by dou R1 is nothing but dou U by dou R1 minus delta 1 equal to 0, or it will be dou U by dou R1 equal to delta 1. If delta 1 is 0, dou U by dou R1 equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, dou pi by dou R2 equal to dou U by dou R2 minus delta 2 equal to 0. Otherwise, dou U by dou R2 equal to delta 2. In our case, delta 1, delta 2 are 0. No settlements, okay, are displacements. Delta 1 equal to 0, delta 2 equal to 0. That's why conditions are dou U by dou R1 0 and dou U by dou R2 also 0. So in previous case only one R. Now here R1, R2. Like this, any number of reactions can be there. If unknowns are 10, then dou U by dou R1 equal to 0, dou U by dou R2 equal to 0, dou U by dou R3 equal to 0. Of course, it is not possible to evaluate manually. Okay. Generally, we do up to two variables. I mean, 2 unknowns. Okay, R1, R2 at most. You don't do even R3 also. Otherwise, sometimes most of the times only R only one unknown case only we solve. So now, what is the expression for U? Q equal to C integral 0 to 4 R2x minus 10x square by 2. 10x square by 2. This is M for this BC portion. M square by 2EA dx plus 4 to 7 R2x plus R1 into x minus 4 minus 10x square by 2. This is M expression. M square by 2EI dx. This is the final U expression, okay? So you can solve this. That is whole square, okay. Integral 0 to 4 R2 square into x square minus 5x square means 25 x power 4 minus 2ab means 2ab means 10 R2 x cube, right, by 2ei dx.
Plus 25.
Emma?
Plus
Plus
25.
20, yeah, plus 25 plus integral 4 to 7, that one simplifying that R2x plus R1x minus 4R1 minus 5x square whole square by 2ei dx. So we need to simplify this, okay, which is equal to, or otherwise directly you can apply these equations, okay. Dou u by dou r1 equal to dou u by dou r1 equal to in this, see here in first one, first expression no, I mean first term r2 square x square, no r1 is there, so 0, 25 x power 4 0, 10 r2 x cube 0, okay. Then second only integral 4 to 7 2 times of r2x plus r1x minus 4r1 minus 5x square into differentiation of this again with respect to r1 is x minus 4, right, x minus 4 divided by 2ei dx. That is 2 to gets cancelled here, so we need to integrate, okay. That is r3 into x square, that is x cube by 3 plus r1 into x square x cube by 3 minus 4r1 into x, that is x square by 2 minus 5x cube, that means 5x power 4 by 4 minus 4r2 x means x square by 2 minus 4r1 x means x square by 2 plus 16r1 x plus 20 x cube by 3 equal to 0, okay, equal to 0, okay. So limits 4 to 7, that means r2 by 3 into 7 cube minus 4 cube, how much? 7 cube minus 4 cube,
279.
279 plus r1 by 3 into 279 minus 2r1 into 7 square minus 4 square, 49 minus 16,
33.
33 minus 5 by 4 into 7 power 4 minus 4 power 4.
2145.
2145 minus 2r1 into square means 33 plus 16r1 into 3 plus 20 by 3 into x cube means 279 equal to 0. So r1 coefficient how much? Check it. This is 4 to r2, right? This one to r2. Okay. r2 na r1 na? రాలేదు రెండు మనము మర్చిపోయినాము ఒకటి.
Correct, sir. R2.
ఇంకోటి
R1 తో మిక్స్ సార్.
అయిందా? ఓకే సెకండ్. Minus 4 into 2 into r1 plus r2 into 33, right? Okay na? Now check it. Total r1 coefficient how much? 279 by 3 minus 66 minus again 66 plus 48. R1 coefficient how much?
9.
Just 9.
Just 9.
9 R1. Okay. R2 coefficient 279 by 3 minus 66
27.
plus
Plus
plus 27. Next constant part how much? Here 5 by 4 2145 and 20 by 3 279. Equal to
Minus 3285 by 4.
3285 by 4. How much that means?
81.25.
8
21.25.
81 point
821.4.
8.5
25, sir.
Emma 825.5
821.25.
25. Okay 0.25. Okay done. This is equation number 1. Similarly, dou E by dou RT equal to 0, one more equation you get. Okay, that is dou U by dou R2 equal to 0. So that one actually 0 to 4 R2 square x square integral 0 to 4 R2 square means what is that expression? R2 square x square means 2R2 x square. Two R2 x square minus a plus 2R2 x square minus 10x cube by 2EA dx plus 4 to 7 so 2 times of R3x plus R1x 2 times of R1 plus R2x minus 4R1 minus 5x square. Okay, into with respect to R2 we are doing. So R2 coefficient is only X, right? Check it, only X, I think. R2 coefficient is only X only, yeah, correct. So now this 2 gets cancelled here. That equal to 0, okay, equal to 0. So 2 R2, okay, 2 gets cancelled again here. R2 into X cube by 3 minus 5 into X power 4 by 4, 0 to 4, plus here R1 plus R2 into X square means X cube by 3 minus 4 R1 into X square by 2 minus 5 X power 4 by 4. Limits 4 to 7 equal to 0. That means
Sir,
R2,
sir, R1 into X cube by 3, sir.
R1 into X cube by 3.
Correct.
Okay. Minus 5 by 4 into 4 to the power of 4 plus R1 plus R2 by 3 into X cube means here 270 something you said, right? 279 minus 2 R1 into X square means 33. 5 by 4 X power 4 means 2145, right? 0. So here R1 coefficients here 93 plus 93 minus 66 30, yeah,
27.
20, yeah,
27.
27, okay, 27 R1. R2 coefficients here 64 by 3, here 279 by 3 means 93.
114.3
బైలో చెప్పు కరెక్ట్గా,
by law.
ప్లస్లో ఫ్రాక్షన్లో చెప్పు. 343నా, 343 by 3,
Sir, 340.
అంతే 343 by 3.
equal to how much? Constant 5 by 4, 64 into 5 minus and here 5 by 4 into 145.
Total 005 by 4.
12
005 by 4.
by 4. So if you simplify this by multiplying with 3, it will be 81 R1 plus 343 R2. 12005 into 3 by 4, how much?
36015.
36015 point.
Ante, sir.
12005 by 4 into 3.
36015 by 4.
By 4, okay. What is this value actually? This 36015 by 4 value. Decimal format.
900.
9
7.75.
0.75. This is equation number 2. Solve and tell me what is R1 R2. 9 R1 27 R2. 9 R1 plus 27 R2 equal to 821.25. 81 R1 plus 343 R2 into 9003.75. R1 equal to
R1 343 by 8.
340,
3 by 8.
which is equal to how much?
42.875.
42.875.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
R1, R2,
129 by 8.
129 by 8.
16.125.
16.125 kilonewtons.
16, sir.
16.125.